Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this floor chair from Amazon. I do believe there are a few options, but the one I got was by Best Comfort. This has been absolutely perfect for my tiny house space. I used to have a beanbag chair which just completely lacked support and form and was so uncomfortable. This one gives me so much support and has so many options in terms of adjusting it, including completely laid down as like a floor pad or mat. I believe I paid $69 unless there was any discount at the time. I will display that here, and I think it has absolutely been worth it. I would get another one if I ever had people over. So here it is. So I absolutely recommend this chair from Amazon if you have a small space or are just looking for a gaming, floor, meditation space chair. I got the purple and there is pink, but they also have 4 neutral colors. I did really like the tan one and I could see a really cute neutral boho space full of plants with those on the floor. But yeah, let me know down below if you're looking for a similar chair or have a similar one, and especially if you end up getting it. Also let me know if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer. I'll put the Amazon link in the description box, so head down there if you're interested. And thanks so much for watching today, guys. I will see you in the next one.